First, I tried to rebuild the carburetor. This is the old one. I got a rebuilt kit from Amazon for about $9. And they warn you on YouTube video that this tube, the new one, will have a hard time seating. So you have to seat it, unseat it, seat it, unseat it to get that profile to mate with the inside of the carburetor. Unfortunately, after doing it about 6, 7 times, it still leaked. But for $20, you can buy a brand new Chinese-made carburetor, and this one worked great. It started on the first pole. Let me show you what I did in the front of it. This brace was supposed to be connected to the upper bolt, and it sheared off that upper bolt, and it was hard to get the part out. It wasn't connected to anything. It took me a long time to get the stud out. But now I used a quarter piece of angle iron and made a part of the brace. And now it's connected in 2 points on the side of the motor. I have seen where it's been hooked to 2 bolts on YouTube videos, and it would shear both those on the same time. The upper bolt is now a bigger diameter, so hopefully it's strong enough to endure. I just need to make some adjustments to tension the belt, but so far it seems to be working actually very well.